Hi guys, it's Lisa Marie. I think this is my second YouTube video ever. Do you see all of this glorious happy mail? I'm so excited. This is my very first Erin Condren package ever. I know that sounds crazy, but I was addicted to Happy Planner. And thanks to Sarah Marie and favorite daughter Emily, I've drank the Kool-Aid and now I've ordered some Erin Condren. So I'm gonna save the little box for last because I have more of an idea of what's in the big box. So we're gonna move the little box to the side and we're gonna start with all of this goodness. I'm excited, can you tell? Just a little bit. All right, so all I did was cut it. I haven't actually opened it, and I'm opening it with you all for the very first time. So you're gonna get all my first impressions. Okay, so here's the box. Wow. I kind of don't know what to think. I think I'm gonna have to take it out of the box to be able to keep it in frame. But maybe I'll pull this out and let the box close for a second. Okay, so I've seen this on so many other people's unboxing, but a little label that says enjoy, thank you very much. And then a card that says be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I'm gonna work on that. I'm working on that. It's gonna be one of my new goals. Okay. Then, hello and welcome. Thanks for your first order. See, first order. Enjoy these free gift labels to simplify and stylize gift giving. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, happy birthday. Just a little something from, that's really neat. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Let's see. Maybe I have to lift everything up out. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna lift it all up and out. Luckily I put markings down on my table so I know what is what. Enjoy! I'm very excited. Okay. I don't wanna rip it. Oh, right? That's being a little, oh, look at that. It comes off smoothly. I'm not, oh, just barely ripping it. Oh, I'm very impressed. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of planner goodness in here. I'm beyond excited. Okay, so Sarah Marie has talked these little bookmarks up so much. So I decided to create, motivate, inspire. So snap-in bookmarks, I'm very excited about that. Then I had to get a pen loop because you're gonna have a planner, you gotta have a pen loop. So I thought that was fun. Some budget stickers. I'm very excited. I think Sarah Marie said this one was her favorite. I can see why. I love the bright colors. Looking forward to using those. Then I bought some sticker sheets. Oh, look at that pattern. You'll see that I like this one because when I get lower, you'll see some more of this wonderful paisley beautifulness. And then, oh, this one. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. That quote it personifies how I feel about my husband all in one. I love this. And I think his colors, the teal and the cream or the ivory, are really cool. So, yes. I forget who I first saw this on. It might have been favorite daughter Emily. And I'm so excited about this little portfolio. I figured it could hold my sticker sheets. What do you think? Let's see. Let's take out the tissue paper. And let's see if I can slide in. Oh yeah, look at that. Good fit. So that was a good buy. And there it is. My Erin Condren Life Planner. Wow. There's the ruler. Oh my goodness. With rose gold. Sarah Marie, I know you'd be proud. Did I even say who I am? I'm Lisa Marie. I might have. But I love this cover. I mean, flowers and watercolors. So beautiful. I have, I think you get 20% off. How exciting is that? Hope there's not a code that I revealed to everybody. And there's a little plan for it pouch. Very exciting. And the vellum. I've seen so many people talk about the vellum. Oh, I think I'm covering up my mic. Okay, I'm an amateur at this, y'all. The vellum. Talk about the vellum. On the Go Life Planner. I think I like the rainbow effect the best. Oh wow. And I went for the neutral. So I'm very excited about this, y'all. If you couldn't tell, I'm a little bit excited about it. Okay. Then I think this is the monthly bill tracker dashboard. I think this is ingenious. I mean, why have to write it out every month again and again and again when you can just write down 12 months and write it once and then check it off? So I think that's awesome. Oh, and a savings tracker. Wow, okay. I told you all we're gonna see this lovely pattern again. Yes, I bought the planner folio with the LM in the corner for Lisa Marie. I am in love. I think I love it more now that I'm seeing it in person than before with black on the back. Very cool. This was the other pattern that I fell in love with. I got myself a lunch tote, and I really love this pattern. So that was all the wonderful goodness that I got from Erin Condren, my first official box. I'm so excited. I probably went a little over. I'll show you the back. Oh, look at that. Started in July? I wasn't expecting that. Huh. Okay, well that was a surprise. I probably selected wrong. So mine's gonna be a little chunky, but that's okay. And then this wonderful little folio. I forget the exact name, but I love it. And there's that pattern again. My budget stickers, my pen loop. Okay. I think you can tell that I'm excited, just a little bit. All right, so let's move on to box number 2. I can't believe I managed to not rip the tissue paper. It might be a little excessive. That's okay. I can be obsessive. All right, let me move this over here and bring in box, the little box, lock box number 2, the second box of happiness. All right, so I think I'm gonna turn it this way, and I think I'll still be in frame, I hope. Same wonderful little postcard, be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire, and then the enjoy. I'm excited. Will I be lucky twice and not rip the paper? No. Okay, I don't care. I probably do care. It's killing me a little bit inside, but I will find a way to be okay. All right, so Sarah Marie, you did a fair job of making me want these Erin Condren dual tip markers, so I'm very excited to have those. And loving the rose gold. And what kind of budget planner would I be without getting the headers showing me the months? And then to finish it all off, I needed to get some sticky notes that I could clip into my planner. I guess I should hold it like that. That would be better. And see, that was just a nice and sweet little box of goodness. I didn't go too crazy because I went a little crazy on the first box. But that's it, y'all. That's my first official package from Erin Condren and my first official, well, second official YouTube video. It might be my third, but I think it was my second. The first one was for weight loss, doesn't count. Second official video related to planning. So if you want to go on this journey with me and see how I navigate maintaining 2 planners, one with the Happy Planner, my first love, Stephanie Fleming, please don't hate me, and now Erin Condren, my second new love. So please come back, check out what I've got going on, catch all my blooper videos, and check out the manicure this week. Getting ready for that holiday sparkle. Okay guys, thanks, bye-bye.